welcome back to our actual practical breathing meditation. So I invite you, I personally really like to have a shawl around me while I'm breathing or meditating. You can also take a blanket, you can sit in a cross-legged position or any other position of your choice. You can also sit on the couch or on a chair with your feet on the floor. Let's get started right away. Please close your eyes, starting to tune in. Make sure your cell phone is turned off now, just for a few minutes. Starting to tune first into your posture of your choice, either feeling the soles of the feet on the floor if you're sitting, or really your seat grounding down to your cushion or onto the chair or couch. Lengthening your spine, relaxing your shoulders. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes or keep your eyes open but soft. And now just let's tune into the breathing. Let's tune first into what we call the deep abdominal breath. That's really the first step in all of the yoga and meditation practice. If you like, you can place both of your hands on your abdomen. And now I invite you to inhale, and as you inhale, feel your belly pushing away. Your hands are moving away from your belly or from your body center. And exhale, you draw in, the belly button comes towards your spine. Inhale, extend your belly outward. Your hands are moving away from you. Exhale, draw the belly in, your hands are moving towards you. Again, inhale, the belly wall expands, comes out, your hands are moving away from you. Exhale, belly button is being drawn in again towards the center of your spine. Now continue, please. This is the first step, and it's quite, if you've never done it before, you might notice, I've been breathing the other way around. So now, just for another minute, practice inhaling, belly comes out, exhaling, belly comes in. You can keep your hands on your abdomen, or you can rest your hands on your thighs or knees, or in your lap. Inhaling, belly comes out. And exhaling, belly draws in. Do it another 2 or 3 times, just on your own. Now really just focusing on that technical thing. Application of belly comes out as you inhale. Deep abdominal breath in, and exhale, draw the belly in, deep abdominal breath out. Inhale deeply, breathe in, move your abdomen. And exhale, deeply breathe in. Keep your hands on your abdomen if you need to, otherwise place them onto your knees or thighs. Now in the next step, number 2, I want you just to focus on that gentle movement of the belly coming out as you inhale. And the belly coming in as you exhale. Inhale, belly comes out as you inhale. Exhale, belly is drawn in. So for a minute, please watch the rhythm of your breath. Watch really very consciously, but non-judgmentally, the movement of your abdomen. Inhale, belly moves out. Exhale, belly moves in. Get into that rhythm. Just observe your belly moving out. And your belly moving in. Observe your inhalation. Observe your exhalation. Observe your inhalation. Observe your exhalation. And then the third and last step, keep moving your belly out as you're deeply inhaling into your abdomen. Drawing the belly in as you squeeze out the breath. Now as you're continuously watching your belly move, your breath coming in, your breath coming out, notice how you already feel more calm, more relaxed. Bring back your posture if you have started to slump down, but notice how you can sit straight and upright and full of dignity while being relaxed. Noticing how when you follow the in-breath and you follow the exhalation, how you follow the belly's natural movement coming out and the belly's movement coming in, how your whole mind starts to calm down. Yes, how your body starts to relax, how your whole nervous system starts to tune in to the natural state of relaxation, of ease, of feeling safe. How your face, your eyes are softening. How your shoulders are softening, letting go of any tension. Again, tuning into the rhythm of breath coming in and the rhythm of breath coming out. You're slowly easing off, relaxing, coming back to your natural state. And then either continue on your own if you feel like I want to do more, or slowly starting to open your eyes, look ahead of you, slowly starting to take in the surroundings around you. Naturally feel your breath coming in and out more fully now. You're breathing now with your abdomen, your natural way of breathing. And notice how you're feeling. Thank you very much for this short but very powerful, gentle breathing method, breathing meditation. Please use it whenever you need, also throughout the day, in moments where you just feel you need to feel more grounded, calm, and joyful, less stressed, less anxious, just present with what is, with your breath. Thank you very much. Namaste.